The MOOKA M01 and KJ190L air purifiers are designed to efficiently clean the air in both small and large rooms, covering areas up to 2,000 square feet per hour. Pet owners will appreciate the KJ190L's larger front and dual-side air inlets, which are specifically designed to capture pet hair and odors more effectively than single inlet designs. The KJ190L model features a 3-stage filtration system with a washable pre-filter that can extend the life of the H13 HEPA filter, effectively capturing particles as small as 0.3 microns. For those who are sensitive to noise, the air purifier offers a sleep mode that operates at only 20 decibels, ensuring a quiet environment for a restful night's sleep. Safety and reliability are assured with certifications from CARB, ETL, EPA, DOE, and FCC, and the units are designed to operate without releasing ozone. The MOOKA air purifiers are not only effective but also easy to maintain, with features like washable filters and a fragrance sponge to enhance the air quality in your home.